the last edition of the Afcon, Ghana and Tibian Kobo.
Yes.
The whole Ghana, Tibian Kobo Afcon be. And this time, every Ghanaian Biano, they're all Guinea. And they said, this time Afcon, where there's a Ghana Kobo be. What do you must say? Yeah, Afcon, yes, Ghana. 2 times the Tibian Kobo Afcon. A bit disastrous. And then I'll say to me, a young one year, Senebea, qualifiers in the chance, yeah. You bet me, actually, games in them, Yanya qualification at Kakubu. But, Sawasha, a best in there, Black Stars in the head coach. Saturday, I'm saying, be breaky, Phyllis and Edema, yet here for. A best in there, after say a far Carlos Grace, and then the Kobo World Cup. From the one a final, Copimsia World Cup and we in Juanica. Into on your ready zone near Betanazia and negotiation there. And to your butcher size cano and son on near Case or best standing. And then the demands say, Oshana resort no or combine or walk up Nasina. Demands no cost. And
no crowns here seeing to me.
And also, yes, it looked like I hear to me. And possibly as you move on from ono near Kofa coach for fro. A best in there, say coach A, coach B, and I coach senior the Nebano. Yenim. I can't 1 month in a kaka. Now you talk about Afcon qualifiers. Then baby play a bubble game no. Now saying so baka on say National Sports Authority boss back kumase. Reason chairman the back kumase no. Minim say be a democracy cap no. But emu back Black Stars baby on bubble games.
Oh yes, me away.
Because according to Yan Performance Crano, or say Accra Sports Stadium a dead trap. And the end to be more games were on Besia Bubble Black Stars games were. Kumasi nso emiti cap requirements
cap requirement only entimi
ose on pese be host Black Stars games
entimi
Kumasi nso besin de yen na enu se cap yentimi kura mo games bia wa ha.
Yes, sure.
Enti aside any coach no baby play bobo game no gra yenim as any serious
bro tio enye se ase mo na diplomacy am dedodo yenye serious. See, I say you're serious. You're serious as a nation. Now we say you're serious. I don't know who do coaches in America, Black Queens coach, what in the car, Black Stars coach, what in the car, technical team members. I come to you. How you serious? You're serious. Now, Brad, you're you're serious, no. One, who on the facilities? Mebwa. Who the who on the facilities? After the facilities, no. Who fin the coaching? The investment. Oh yeah. Sanya machu no kekempo. Oni bibia kra no kra ma hu say this nation is a serious nation and we ready say obobra obom. Now the basics important me nye. Now when there are SR home. Ya de Carlos Cruz echo World Cup no and I am adwuma no. Pay my checks. Now so ko perform Cruz man no at least quarterfinals or the draw. Uti. But a lot of factors are militating against him. Morally no okra untimi nka se adenti no amfa ye ndu kota beboa. Secondly, me check say ye can say after World Cup no so also dey kwaji Afcon so TV ana wa say ana untimi ntua ni sika na untimi ntua ye nso no unya bibia friend smooth transition because it is obvious say Carlos Cruz there say so on the backroom staff omoko because broadman Medin Common Sports Ministry a me source no ekere say Cruz against all move beside the kakraka bio the technical team members no and kiamo obia efi obetenem eno no enya dia state ni betimi who say so funny baby obia betenam eno no state ni ntimi and it is obvious say we Carlos Cruz sika say mpo accommodation mpo no eno po a problem for us. Omaya is serious here ball as make catch we. So Cruz is a goner. But Cruz Aircon and Cadena was here. See, the very moment I whom say Carlos Cruz beje Wakono. Some period no but yabo World Cup we this say. See we World Cup no July. Any date you say million.
And 17th August.
Bruh, it's bacho serious. Because see Carlos Cruz cried here just after your last game of your ball World Cup. And no man intentions are clear.
And also
yes, they didn't some say no, but say they say oh say Obiam fan some say no. They now want to come no kind.
Someone am going to be meeting the demand.
Yes.
What meet the obvious.
And that's what I'm saying to you. And me meeting the demands now, it is obvious saying to me, you be done a crime. Then also by now, a free Samuel to check it the last data I had the ball against Colombia. Now, Bepim Samuel said, bra, me patron my serious pan. By now, no, only the coach I want for. And calling the coach every year. Because Yenimre, Branshadia, 23rd, 25th of September, and also any Ivory Coast, Ebo. Abidjan. The entire 23rd, 25th. Calf, I own my data.
Now what you
see. And between 23rd, 25th, any Ivory Coast, game. Ye near Saba the Gambia. Between 27th and 29th. So within 4-5 days, and I did about 2 matches. See Ivory Coast performance was World Cup. No? So I am in the Kitua and Concord and Impao. And to show Ivory Coast team way. And then the level. Not even Gambia. And onya a walk over. And then say some crown across our chair say, Omo boy a day pa. Kebab munina at a level. And Tibra. So his our teams here. By now, no, I'll say who coach. Are their friend of talent identification because coach Biaba or players or person or do omobo. And Abia who coach, no, players are qualified. No. The new coach enyano and obepe so be you see. And you say yet me who say niema ni nyina. New said ye SCC niema. But rich ye nim coach oba be coachy because say no the omo yan say in the interim say bibia and sadia. That's one affair. In the interim. And to this morning so yeah adwuma ne kakra wi a ansa no hu do obeno. Look, me the problem said Desmond ebeye adwuma. But the point is that some person Desmond in the interim, oh yeah, adwuma also by now talks to be akoso. Amani may be assurances be aba because sa uya ne sa and Desmond then so and the scouting team behu said you ombe omuniema. Rich part all the point na say. Men ja coach no our certain state but the say the coach is even in country. Onumpo onim. Enti anka by now Chris I obvious intimi. I'll thank you to me a confirm it Desmond. So okay, be within the next 2 frames.
What is holding us?
Bro?
Because a class has a need Desmond. And the Desmond the business in the same world. Black Stars technical bench.
Rich, yes. Good question.
If say head coach in your now assistant ain't even step in the any or not to wear it.
Desmond your assistant team. First assistant
on there's always good. And to under heading and win it in by
Desmond.
It's your fan say locally on the assistant.
Of course, on the
it is a Carl Square in the backroom staff near Yawama. Definitely so to me,
Rich. Sana teba me pacho adwuma also ye no o se am na contract and answer say nkomo koso terms of reference de boa it is a bibia nko so dia net se dia wu kan no asa desmo na mu ne ense da ni gidie se ko be se ense da ni gidie nso a unim sa dia we bia si that ye nya under 20 coach or the Ghana eje World Cup Nhyira /Tete. Yeah, the Blasters man, baby do baby asa na ehu no. Yeah, man the Blasters Ghana 1 of 5 games. Okay, like Kingston. A KK bottle at the ball no. Because when you look how Nhyira had the more. This one is a good coach. But say the first and year for Carlos Cruz, I did near Chene say, Obi no did discipline. Ebebe team so kaya. Na idea na you feel say higher pa into no be or this idea ne beba. And the Carlos Cruz this idea ne ma here. And almost in trying to analyze the situation of Desmond, say yes, Desmond that's the agro concept now say because for quite some time now, me and your coach or the youth team able or multi express so much, but Desmond gave us that. And to Desmond, you also our concept, you know, on him or pay the coaching philosophy, the policy, you know, about expressive football, the Ghana for epe. Desmond decided na me, but be a more analyze here beyond Sadia na Desmond or fair diamano. Almost check the level, the weight, and yes, only the tactical news. But if you almost full say the charisma, oh, the better not bench, you know, now the discipline, Abano, Sadi and Oni. But this is the point, Rich, Oni, discipline, and starting from the head coach, you saw him Sadi. And penning for now, more discipline back and Beba. Secondly, say yensi say to oni e ka say say no bia ndi so a ehia say coach and na ni babro meboa say makam proofs aye adwuma pepepe na Blasters management committee ye ready say ye support coach na trust you me coach ni mbedru ayana no ne problem amebo siniga anya local coach and omo fine ye hu the performance me patro meboa at a point Cote d'Ivoire coach here the bufu yo mo call World Cup
but so omo free World Cup bands oti stories is
oh that they are telling you
to the sense say so lose in the back room
no free coach make sure the entire free coach no omo de no akoma ni breba afa coach untimi nye disciplinarian bio rate me bo akom de me awose wo na ye me leader ofia utie empanyimfo ntua ka awose wo na ye me leader etu be ma discipline aba ebe de na aba but what the point na say entina mfiri ho entino ye die nie I will see it me the state of Desmond affairs here the adwuma na ema no for now say ehu omu dia ene e momfa coach animanimu ye because say no after na mo ba be bia tumo say coaches apply which I've told you say omu bia tumo amon hwe coaches anim Thompson Felt
okay
and Jamel Bomadi or Jerry coach mon show omu anim so on be apply but rich ye nimra another say
you know sa process no when the granye bear to so
more yes rich
interviews how do obey and son you are set on one coach
but what another say
and 17th
the time bear crown and move be atum cross omu apply
man for apply
and all that no are we serious so it is obvious bro it is very obvious for now no do you be kwakubo sa 2 games no I this one offay me ba me boa it is very obvious because I get biano at least say new coach crab say or the players from Beba and they about 60 to 70% of the players no ebe free mom ko World Cup we enko free baby which that's one of saying offense no part of the team one onim squad na e wo ho and the queer fans so you see when onim die e see bia and not the internet quickly ya need that small anchor na em fa adwuma na ema no but I want the danger a room and the entire musro. So that's more now more than 11 months. Bra.
11 months.
That's one 11 months.
Or the 11 months.
11 months.
Otuado crowd and the lawyers are fra. Ebesine. And we're talking to the FIFA.
Chairman, and tomorrow
coach 11 months with that.
And to Kokade 11 months Nipana and Kasano and the Kaunchi. And to Kokade. Sansan ye bedim komo this way tia mekano and sana me no de me head coach na interim krana your certain demands also be
no na dey ko bo World Cup krana ono be see the performance in January
bra and I make us
on back room staff na enjoy
and I make us it you and you the ma Desmond no dey ntia chuchu amobu omo hu de omo nya omo no because so the ma Desmond and mani mu krana outside Desmond no e ka wo de no also she tia sa
at least we do a half
and some
common infant also
so problem
Jude you want to ask but I think me no ya him say yes Afcon you be kon ya make impact bia all right my catch up say nyame ya adoma